Hello, this is RISAL. Ramen has been extremely popular for these past several years all over the world. This time, Best LA's Ramen Project is offering frozen ramen from popular ramen restaurants in Los Angeles and OC area. You can order online at bestramenla.com and pick it up at the shop. Or if you're in Torrance, you can use SEIWA Market home delivery service to enjoy the ramen that you cannot usually get to try. I also got a special coupon code, so please watch this video until the end. There are 8 ramen shops on the list, and it was very hard to pick which ramen I would like to try. But this time, I decided to go with KITAKATA RAMEN Banai! Their signature ramen is KITAKATA Ramen. I love light flavored ramen, so I decided to go with KITAKATA Ramen this time. It's done! じゃあ、いただきます。いただきます。I love how chewy their noodle is. I heard they make their own noodle, so it's like homemade noodle. It's so good. Let me try the chashu. It came with many chashu, but I feel like it's not enough. This chashu is so damn good. Their ramen broth is light, but it's very flavorful. It's so delicious that I won't be able to finish the soup. ごちそうさまでした. It's a frozen ramen, but it's from the authentic ramen restaurant, so their quality is really high. It was so good. And if you use my special coupon, you get 10% off. My coupon code is RISAL10. Please use my code to get a discount for your frozen ramen. Oh man, that ramen was so filling. I'm so full right now. So again, it was me, RISAL. Thank you for watching. I got really full after this bowl of ramen, so I might need to take a nap. So, おやすみ! Good night! Bye bye!